What you see here is actually 3 tools in one. This is a unique combination where we can do simultaneous measurements of the energy input and the weight loss in a material as you heat it up, and detect what comes off of it, the decomposition. And usually you have to do only one of these things at any one time, but getting all 3 measurements at the same time gives you that much more information that you can't get otherwise. One tool that has 2 functions of heating up a sample and detecting weight loss or energy input to the sample, which can tell you if there's a phase change or any decomposition. And in line with it, there's a mass spec which will detect the composition of anything that any material that is lost from the tool. So yeah, this is people are coming from many other labs that have one or more of these tools to use this because they are all hooked in line. So saves a lot of time and gets you information that you just cannot get from other tools. If you don't have the mass spec to detect what comes off of this tool here, then you can't get that information from. This tool is an atomic force microscope, and what it does is it measures the surface texture of any nanostructured or any type of material. Works best on hard materials, and it works by tapping right on or near the surface and determining the height of the surface at a lot of different points. So you can get very good resolution, similar to the resolution from a scanning electron microscope. But it works without vacuum and on materials whether or not they're conductive. As far as I know, this is the most accessible AFM in the area, especially for businesses, startup businesses, big businesses, anybody can get access to this tool just by signing up with the Microproducts Breakthrough Institute. The Flash Quantum Efficiency tool that we have here is the first of its kind to be sold in the world. This tool tests solar cells in a way that tells us a lot about the function of the cell and shows defects, but it tests the solar cells faster than any of the previous quantum efficiency tools out there. So a test that would normally take 5 minutes takes 1.2 seconds with this tool. Currently, we have several research groups on campus working with this tool, and we have interest from at least one other company that would like to be trained on it in the near future.
One of the most unique instruments is this roll-to-roll coder. This instrument is not available anywhere else in the state of Oregon for external use. I don't believe this type of instrument is available to anyone else throughout the country for external use.